What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George from Dijs University, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the latest ClickBank products that are available in the ClickBank Marketplace. What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George, and like I said in the introduction, today we're going to be looking at the latest products that have been added to ClickBank, and you can just literally watch me live review the products and the landing pages and basically give my opinion on whether or not I would promote those products. Now, more often than not, when starting out on ClickBank, you go to the Marketplace, which I can literally do for you guys now. Marketplace, you either go into the drop down menu here, or you click on the magnifying glass here. You sort by either popularity or gravity, and more often than not, everyone just chooses from these products here. Okay, it's very unlikely that people actually go in to, it's like page 2 of Google. No one does it. No one actually goes through, these pages, 374 pages to find that product. Okay, but what we're going to be doing today is exactly that, basically. So I'm going to be looking at the products that have only just recently been added to ClickBank with a very low gravity, and given my opinion on them. Okay, so for that we need to figure out how to use these filters. I think we can actually do an advanced search here. There we go. So I think it's possible to do it via this. So what we need to do is filter by its, at the time I'm recording this, it is the 20th of Feb. So we need to basically find products that have only just recently been added. So let's say the 1st of January 2020. So let's say January 1st 2020. So after that date, search. Let's see. If not, we'll have to do December. Okay, so I think these are new products. At least I've never seen them before. Let me just double check. We will filter by vendor spotlight, and then we'll just see if these products are newly added. So as you can see here, quit chewing tobacco subliminal support has been on ClickBank since the 1st of, or since January 2020. As you can see, gravity of 0, no subscribers, no sales made, and as you can see here, the trend is very stable. It's been 0 this entire time. Okay, so we'll switch off the vendor tools for now, or the vendor spotlight, and then what we'll do is we'll be, so 8 pages. Let's see if there's even, let's sort by gravity. Okay, so as you can see, overthrowing anxiety disorder has actually already got a gravity of 18. Unfortunately, there's no vendor spotlight, so we can't actually see how this product is doing. But as you can see here, people have been promoting this over the last 12 weeks. 12 weeks is how many months? So weeks is 3 months. So this product, well, it's only Feb now. So I'm not 100% sure how the gravity works with new products like that. But okay. So we'll open this. They've got affiliate tools, which is always good. Tell you what we'll do. We just open all of these and the affiliate tools, and then just see if there's any that we think are good enough to be promoted with ClickBank. Okay, diabetes. A lot of these products are like in the big, like the top 3. Okay, this is a lot actually. We'll just do this one for now, and then that'll say. So yeah, the top 3 products obviously with ClickBank, with affiliate marketing in general, obviously health, wealth, and relationships. So I actually see most of these products are in those 3 categories. So this is overthrowing anxiety. It's a video sales letter. Oh, is that it? Okay. Yeah, so it's pretty boring actually, but let's see. I used to suffer from anxiety attacks. Is there no volume? No? Okay. And the number of ways that nearly ruined my life. My anxiety disorder grew steadily worse over the 16... Okay. Yeah. Let's see the text transcript. Okay, but what kind of product is it? A lot of text. Imagine having to sift through that entire video. That can be your story too. Take charge of what's happening to you and then watch it change. Get the end of anxiety by clicking here. Anxiety, okay? So we click. It's a book, I'm thinking. Money back guarantee, add to cart. $49 for a book. Is it even a book? Let's see. Let's add to cart and see what happens. Retrieving your best price. I thought it was $49. Order form. digital product. So it's not even a book. It's literally like just some ebook leaflet for €50. That's unreal. Okay, I will not be promoting this product, and I don't advise you guys to promote that product either. Let's see if there's any promotional materials. No, that is literally it. Just the image. Okay, nope. It's a no from me. This one, Diabetic Cookbook. New cookbook reveals 60 delicious diabetic-friendly recipes, including muffins, cookies, brownies, and even pizza. Okay, that sounds good. Send me a copy. Instant digital download. Is that a free? No, it's not. €10. I even paid tax on it, so €12. Okay, so yeah, I can imagine the click-through rate to be insane on this because it says instant digital download, so you think it's going to be free. Was it a digital product? Yeah, so a digital product that you're paying €12 for. That's pretty steep. Brand new cookbook for anyone. To be fair, I do, even though it's like not a video sales letter, there's no testimonials, there's no X10 pop-up either. It's still a very, very clean landing page. So if I were to promote this, which I can see myself promoting stuff like this, I'll probably run either Instagram stories or Facebook ads to a Quizlander and then get people nurtured. So basically the Quizlander basically gets people to jump through hoops because there's nothing here on this page that actually convinces that person to buy this cookbook. So they need warming up basically. So I'll have a Quizlander, 3-4 questions, probably 3 on Instagram, 4 on Facebook, or 3 on Facebook, 2 on Instagram, and then from there, they basically get sent onto this sales page. So yeah, it's a yes from me, and I can see this product actually doing quite well on ClickBank, provided that people can actually find this product. Okay, this is the affiliate support. Let's see, contact affiliate support. No, that's just an email. We don't want that. Don't save the email. Allow traffic. PPC. Oh, no Facebook and no incentivized traffic. No GI. Traffic unless consumers. What is GI? No idea. I'm guessing something like Google interface or something like that. I don't know. Unless the consumer is part of a buyer's list that previously bought a product with their credit card. No offer. Okay. Ooh, okay, interesting. No idea why, but apparently no Facebook. Maybe they don't trust. Because obviously it's one of those like grey areas, diabetes and stuff. It's obviously not like something that you can promote. But there are ways around it. You just need to be careful with it, and native ads is probably the best way to go for this. But yeah, like I said, I think we could get away with promoting that. The Wi-Fi Wage. I tapped into 6.8 billion industry that set me free from my 9 to 5. Click to play. Get access now. Okay, let's have a look. In this short video, I'm going to prove that okay, even you can, I can guarantee this. Okay, that is so annoying the way the text sort of like pops out, but it's good. I've got to say, like, it does sort of capture the attention. But I'm just confused with why there's no sound. It sounds on full. But yeah, okay. Matthew from the US made his first commission. Okay, let's see what it is actually. It's again a digital product for €46. I think that's pretty steep for a digital product. But then again, it is a video sales letter, so they do actually get like warmed up before they actually get onto the page. Is there any joint venture page? Converter called traffic. Okay, so for the affiliate tools, you actually need to sign up, which we will not be doing. Oh, they've got Instagram. Let's see what their Instagram looks like. Wi-Fi Wage. 1,642 followers. And then their Instagram looks pretty neat actually. Yeah. Okay. Let's check his YouTube. I bought a Mercedes at 21.
So welcome back to a brand new video. A lot of people have been asking me to do a video sort of on my new car.
Okay. Yeah. 138 subs. Wi-Fi Wage. Top affiliate marketers in the UK. 100k in 4 months. 3 simple steps. Okay. Yeah. Pretty good. I don't think I'll promote it myself. What's the page? Let's see. Inspect. Can we see what kind of okay, Cartra. Okay, now I was just checking, so he's not using ClickFunnels. I was just curious to see if he's actually using ClickFunnels or not, because that'd be pretty lame if he did. Actually no, because obviously it's the actual ClickBank. Okay, never mind. So moving on. Royal CBD. So for that product, it's a no from me. So this is Royal CBD, full on with full spectrum CBD joint and muscle support. I really like this landing page, by the way, guys. That is really clean. Not sure what happened there. Let's see what it looks like on mobile. Even on mobile, it looks pretty good, and it actually looks better on mobile because probably what they've done is they focused on mobile first, or they've optimized for mobile and they've forgotten that last little spot here, where it doesn't like completely go back to like to the full size. Coconut oil base, sunflower seed oil extracts are fans. Yeah, I really like this. Oof, that's steep. What is it? It's listed a bottle of Jordan's, isn't it? $49. Buy now, 30-day money back guarantee. Life moves too fast not to go full speed. Spend less time on the sidelines. That's good. That's a good copy. I like that. CBD support, benefits, ingredients, buy now, return policy. Okay, it's a yes from me. Just for the landing page alone. What's this? That's something else. Did CBD not have an affiliate tools page? Nope, no affiliate tools. Gravity 1.4, $29 US. Is it subscription based? Nah, surely not. Recurring billing. Oh, it must be. No, it says one-time purchase. Okay, it might be an upsell or something. But yeah, I like it. Obviously, you can't promote this on Facebook. Please don't promote this on Facebook. What you can do though is capture emails for people with injuries and then promote this on like an email list. That is probably what I'll do, and it's a yes from me because I think it looks very clean. Okay, win play tips, betting. I'm guessing horse tips. What do I get? 14-day trial. Okay, so we've got a trial, which is good. Always good. Yearly $199. Zip. Let's see. Make 1,000 a month. What do we get? Consistent profits. Nice and simple service. Our support and small outlays. Scroll down. It literally like the call to action button is just scroll down. Like, it's a no from me, guys. I'm not liking it. Good effort. Like on the page, it looks professional. I do get like sort of like the horse riding vibe when I look at it. But yeah, like I said, there's a call to action to scroll down, no video sales letter, no X than 10 pop-up. Do they have affiliate tools? No affiliate tools, low gravity. That's a no from me, guys. Moving on. The guarantee solo ad mailer, thousands of subscribers ready to buy your offer. Okay. PayPal checkout, pay with Bitcoin, and you get 50% commission. Let's check the affiliate page. Average sales $13. You've got banners, email swipes, buy traffic. Nah, it's a no for me, guys. What's this? Chinese diabetes remedy. I don't like the site and stuff like that. I need to click away or scroll down. Video sales letter. Videos playing. Click to unmute.
Hi, my name is Tom Gordon.
Okay, Tom Gordon is one of the first video sales letters with sound, which is obviously a plus. Simple video sales letter. Ancient Chinese life hack scientifically proven to fight real root cause of type 2 diabetes. They've also got affiliate tools. They've got email swipes. Do they have an X10 pop-up? No. They've got a reading version, scientifically proven to fight real diabetes, email swipes. Okay, but how do we get onto the product? Because like that's one thing that sort of like bit me in the ass previously, apologies for my French, is that the video, like the call to action button, is really hard to find. This one's pretty big, gotta admit, but if you watch the video, where do you actually, unless it sends you through or something maybe, but it does take a while for you to actually get to the call to action button. Maybe all this is like nature to warm up the audience, possibly, but I do think that a call to action button a little higher would have been more effective. So it's a yes but no from me. I think that the call to action button should be a bit higher up and easier to access, because people are impatient, right? They don't want to be scrolling through all of this. And yes, obviously, if you do read all of this, you are the most qualified lead that they can possibly wish for. But still, at least one button a little bit higher would have tipped me over the edge and say it's a yes from me. So is it the last one? Yes, it's the last one before we wrap up this video. Are we going to finish strong, or is this going to be another no? Let's find out. So it's free tips. Is it actual free tips, or is it just saying it to the payment page? Secure checkout. So you need to pay €23, guys, for free tips. Okay, but call to action is right at the top. So no video sales letter, call to action right at the top, which means that prior to this page, you will need to nurture the audience. So you can build an email list and send this later on. You can create a Facebook group, send this later on. You can build out a quiz landing page, send it later on. You make your own video sales letter and send it later on. But you can't send, you need to nurture the audience and the traffic first before you actually send them to this page. Okay, other than that, no X10 pop-up, story mode, get tips now, multiple call to actions, more proof testimonials. You've even got 2 payment options, another call to action, and then you can also sign up here. So it's a yes from me in terms of the call to actions. And there's a lot of ways to get onto the payment page, which means that the click-through rate on this page will be quite high. But like I said, you will need to do some work prior to getting people on this page, because no one is just gonna, literally just give you their credit card and pay €23 for a digital product because they've seen the top of this page. Okay, so should we give an actual decision? I say yes, but be careful when you promote this. Like I said, nurture the traffic first before you promote this product. Okay, so that is it for me for today, guys. Like I said, these are products that are new to ClickBank with a low gravity, and I'm just giving my 2 cents on them. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. You want to see more videos like this, and also click on that little bell icon so you get a notification every time there's a video on this channel. For those of you that want to get started with affiliate marketing and want to go from zero to hero in the shortest amount of time, we also have a free masterclass, which will be linked in the description box down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.